Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another Funday Sunday watch face review, and the weather is finally looking up in the Midwest. Welcome to another view into Huck's world. Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video and a Funday Sunday watch face review, and this is the watch face of the day. This one is by Tina Dial. Now, she definitely gets down on some watch faces. The name of this watch face is called Tina New Gear 051, and I'm going to give 2 thumbs in the door for the design and the layout of this watch face. I'm really truly loving the look, and I thought you would too. This is really why it made the cut for watch face of the day. Now, in the always on mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look, the same design, but when the watch face is on, here's where the uniqueness starts to pop at. If you look up at the top to the right, you're going to see a second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch, which really enhances the look of this watch face altogether. Now, if you look up at the top as well, you're going to get info on your heart rate. Right next to it, you're going to get your date info, but I like the fact that it gives you the info of the month that's going around it, and it gives it a little arrow to let you know exactly what month you're in. I'm loving that look. Now, if you look over to the left, you're going to get your battery percentage. I like the way that battery percentage gauge look, and also to the right of it, you're also going to get info on your steps and your step goal completed as well. Now, in the center of the watch, slightly to the bottom, you get an analog watch face with a digital time as well. And I'm liking the look, and this would really bring the design all together, I thought, right? Now, this watch face is not interactive at all, but do it need to be. I'm suggesting you guys take a look at this watch face in the Gear Manager store. I think it's worth a look so far as the layout and the design of this watch face, and more than anything, the uniqueness. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And again, as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.